Magic 89.9.
Today's Us Music Magic 89.9, Malalang Nilalang by Grace Note. Hey, we got Eunice, Tatsy, Jazz, and EJ back on Magic 89.9. Hey, good morning.
What's up, guys?
Hi, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
First time in the morning.
Yeah.
First time.
Sana masarap lunch niyo, guys.
Yes,
Early lunch.
early lunch. Thank you so much for dropping by Magic 89.9. We are
Thank you din.
huge fans of you. I mean, the playback and Facebook is so excited for you guys to be here with this awesome song na pwedeng isend namin sa mga tito at tita namin. Perfect! I love it's so catchy. And I love the hindi ko rin na-try, pero gets niyo na yun. It's so good. It's so catchy. And you can literally listen to it on repeat with this one. It's actually the first time I'm playing it here on the Magic.
Wow.
So, hey, yeah.
Thank you.
Nakikinig marinig siya sa radio talaga.
Does it still hit different on the radio?
Yes.
Yay!
Iba pa rin talaga yung feeling. May magic. Pag
Ayan!
naririnig yung kanta sa radyo.
I love that. Pag ibang station din sabi mo may magic. Well, thank you for dropping by. We are so excited to hear the live version of this. They were doing the sound check. It's going to be amazing, guys. You need to tune in. If you don't see their faces on the radio, check it out on playback.tv/magic899 as well as facebook.com/magic899. You know what it is. Wow. What inspired you guys to write a song about chismis? Is that right? Chismis.
Yeah. Well, yung ano kasi, yung song, it describes a characteristic of yung mga taong fond sa gossip, and yung mga nagsispread ng false information. Na tipong hindi na natin napag-uusapan or hindi na natin pinapansin, they get away with it, diba? Pero hindi natin namamalayan na meron siyang damage na ginagawa sa society. So we just want to call that out. That may this song be a wake-up call to everyone to not tolerate that kind of behavior. So ayun, kaya malalang nilalang, it describes how
That
to
person.
be malalang nilalang. So yeah, it depends na lang kung tatamaan ka ba sa song, ma-hurt ka or ma-comfort ka. Kasi meron din mga victims ng, alam mo yun, ng chismis. So yeah, we wanted to be an advocacy, so we don't really like tell people to stream it just for numbers, but we wanted to make a movement through this song. So yeah, sa panahon ngayon kasi no one really wants to talk about it.
Truth.
Diba?
Girl, daming fake news dyan. Let's just
Exactly.
put it out
Exactly.
there.
Pero, diba? Kumbaga,
Yeah.
yun yung, doon ka napapahamak sa mga maling balita. So, you have to be careful. It's a warning to everyone. Yeah.
At saka pag the scarier and the more ridiculous, the more clickbaity, the
Yes.
more people will share it.
Yes, and sometimes people think that it's harmless. Like, pag sumasali sila o nakikisaw-saw. But you don't really know the damage that it does sa society natin.
Yeah. And
You always say na you want a better world, you want to be a better person.
True.
No, but seriously, real talk lang, guys, diba? You always say that, pero it has to start within you. So yeah, that inspired me to write the song. So,
that's so valid. World peace. Only for the answer. Pero pag in real life, chismis. That's so true though, because sometimes you can't even help. You can't help but to talk about certain things with certain people. Just because I think culturally, we just love to yap here in the Philippines. And sometimes we just talk, like, kwentong barbero, diba?
Yeah.
And I love the different ways to interpret this song. It could be from fake news, it could be politically, it could be through friends, it could be through family. Have you guys heard any news or chismis about you that is so not true?
yeah.
I know, sample.
Kasi nangyayari siya sa lahat kumbaga sa paligid. But for me, personally, I hear some people say na I'm suplada and snob, but they don't really know me. My friends know me as mahiyain. So, na misinterpret nila yung ganong side ko. So, may mga ganon, like personal stuff na parang nag-a-assume agad yung mga tao. Tapos pag pinasa na, iba na yung dating, ako na yung masamang tao. Parang, alam mo yun, kumbaga, hindi mo alam pag pass the message ka, diba? You know the impact, diba? Na parang pagdating sa dulo, iba na yung kwento. Parang, oh my gosh, saan galing yan? My goodness.
We're in alternate realities.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n. I like
yun.
that.
Yeah.
Call out season pala to. Hey, Why?
Dapat kasi, diba? Pag nagmamature ka talaga, mas nagiging aware ka sa social, sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. So, ibang take. While everyone's talking about love and kilig, we just wanna, talk about something else.
How has the reception been from the fans? Like, they love it, I'm sure.
Yeah, actually we've been hearing some people na parang nagiging comfort sa kanila yung song. Na parang they say na thank you for writing this. I know some people na ganito. So parang sana mag-spread siya ng awareness sa lahat. Sana mas marami pang makarinig ng kanta. And
yeah, I love it. Yeah. You guys are always like breaking boundaries with the themes of your songs. It's not just about love, it's about growing up, it's about getting into that new phase of, I feel like we're all like entering different phases in our lives together with Grace Note. You guys have been together for a while, and as a listener, it's just like, oh yeah, we're here. We're in that mature stage of like, yeah, this doesn't affect me anymore. Is it like Chismis doesn't affect me anymore? How about you guys at this point?
Yeah, it shouldn't. Yeah. Parang, kumbaga, mas mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Mas ayusin mo yung sarili mo. Mind your own business. Kumbaga, mas mag-grow ka dun eh.
Tsaka, naniniwala ako na you also have the power to give it power or hindi. Kumbaga,
yes, exactly.
True.
Yeah.
kasi if you react immediately, di ba, parang
Mas
pwede
binibigyan
nilang
mo siya.
isipin na totoo or ano. So sometimes, parang hindi pagpatol dun sa issue, nakakatulong rin. At the same time, pwede ka rin magbigay ng what do you call this? Yung anong tawag doon? Parang yung respond din, pero sa tamang paraan. So may tamang
In a
paraan.
calm way.
Yes, calm way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ganun.
I like that. Yeah, we're maturing, guys. See that? Hindi na tayo masyado palaban. We like to reason out and voice out. Yes.
And I also believe na lahat naman tayo kumbaga prone na makagawa ng ganun. Unintentional minsan. Like for example, kasi social being tayo. So social beings tayo. So normal lang siya minsan na parang magawa mo. But at the same time, maganda na makatch mo yung sarili mo agad para ma-prevent yun. Kasi minsan napapasa din natin kasi akala din natin totoo siya. So hindi natin naka-fact check, ganun. So ano siya for me parang lalo na kung interesting yung sauce, parang ano siya cheap source ng ng entertainment.
Yes.
In a way na parang pag wala kang ginagawa sa buhay or ang dali na ang dali makipagchismisan, ang dali makipagdaldalan, tapos wala na, parang you're into it na lahat na ng pwede mong i-impulse mo na, yung pagiging impulsive mo na magsalita ng mga bagay-bagay na walang basihan. Basta lang masabi, basta lang to keep the conversations going. So sometimes ganun yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
And I believe na kailangan natin maging responsible para ma-check natin yung mga bagay-bagay before we, parang check before you click. Check, kailangan maganda na.
Don't click links.
Yes, ayun, mabibig
Baka masascam ka, di ba?
Exactly. So feeling ko sama-sama tayo na mag-improve ng sarili natin.
Yeah. It's for everyone.
Yes, it's for
I like
everyone.
that. Kasi parang if I feel like I'm making chismis, malalang nila lang ako. Diba? Kinall out ko yung sarili ko. Gusto ko yung song nyo, guys. Awareness. We're all growing together. We're becoming better people. And especially
That's the goal.
especially in the age of social media where it's so easy to spread news. This is the perfect song that this generation needs, I think. So
Yes.
thank
you
you
for saying that.
Thank you for
Thank
sharing.
you,
This is gonna be a theme song and like
Let's go.
in an election or I don't know, guys. But I'm excited. Let's talk about the songwriting process. Was it easy? Was this like a jam session? How did this theme even come about?
It started from ako talaga usually nagsusulat sa band, but usually when I make a demo, I send it to them and then they do the parts. We do the pre-prod sa studio, Velvet Studio, with our manager, Sir Darwin Hernandez. Tapos, yun, dun kami nag-brainstorm kung paano magiging atake nung song. So, each part, kumbaga collaborative kami lahat. We wanted to have that vibe na parang we wanted to put that Manila sound kind of vibe. And yung idea kasi when I started writing it, I was listening to Shake It Off, Taylor Swift.
No way.
Shake It Off, yeah. So I was like, I want to write a song like that.
I
Na
hear it now.
Parang, you're just shaking it off. So it's, that's how it, everything parang siyang na-puzzle.
Yeah.
Yung mismong recording na namin sa Velvet Studio, sa Velvet Playground. Yeah, kayo guys, you wanna share something? Some of the
Yes,
experiences?
Si Eunice kasi, pag gumagawa siya ng song, ang daming, kumbaga iba-iba yung topics niya. So, kaya din, interesting din talaga. Kumbaga, uy, nakaka-excite yan. Sige, about dito yan, about yan. So, parang, kami, sobrang na-excite kami lagi na gumawa ng mga parts namin, ganun. So, tsaka nakaka-excite din yung marinig ng ibang tao, yung kakaibang, ibang topic naman. Ganun.
Iba naman. Let's change it up. I like it. Were there like any new musical techniques or sounds or instrument that you experimented with this track that's different from your usual work?
Paano ba?
Purely familiar instruments, no?
Siguro mas yung progression, masasabi ko,
this is something different kasi never pa kami medyo like kung theoretically yung progression na to hindi namin sinunod yung theory.
Breaking the rules. Yeah. Ano ba yung dapat?
Parang may mga fixed chords na kasi pag sinabing gantong key. Pero in this particular song, first time namin ginawa na binali namin yung mga, parang pinalit namin yung major, ginawang minor, mga ganun.
Yeah, and there's this part sa bridge na parang chromatic lang siyang tumataas na parang tapos bilang so parang build up lang siya. So it's not really typical.
That's cool. No, as a listener, I'm like, there's something different here. I don't know what I'm hearing. So thank you for explaining.
Music naman, diba? Like, you don't really have to understand what's happening. You just have to really enjoy it.
At least I'm shaking it off. I'm dancing. I'm excited. We're so thrilled and excited to have you guys here and to hear this song live.
It's gonna be our first time to play sa acoustic version. So it's gonna be our first time.
Radio, actually.
And sa radio, yeah. It's gonna be our first time.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Na-excite din kami. It's a new feeling.
Thank you so much. Wow, I feel special. No, me and the listeners feel very special. Grace Note is performing their song for the very first time on the radio and as an acoustic version. Oh, okay, guys, you gotta turn up the music. Let's listen to the live version here. We got Grace Note back on Magic 89.9.
Alright, this is Malalang Nilalang Unplugged.
Grabe naman, 11 a.m. by killing it. Grace Note, everybody, in the latest track, Malalang Nilalang. I love it. Come back anytime, you guys. This is an amazing song.
Thank
a
you.
call out song to all of us. I'll think twice before making chismis. But I always ask this at the end of the interview. If this song was part of a movie, who would play the actors and what would the story be?
Oh. I think it would be cool if it's...
Actually, may interesting cast kami kasi sa music video Sila yung...
Hindi, may bawal natin sa
Pero,
Uy, secret pa yun.
Ayan na.
Teaser.
Pero ang galing lang kasi na tinanong niya yun.
Oo nga eh.
Timely na.
Very timely.
Anyway, yun. Surprise
Telepathy.
guys. Abangan nyo na.
Telepathy.
I was about to say, but...
Sino yung perfect cast?
Ano na lang siguro, yung villains sa Marvel.
Si Thanos.
Si Thanos na lang.
Bakit siya? Mabait yun.
mabait
Sa kanya sariling world. Yung intention niya kasi is...
Iba lang yung intention.
Yeah.
Thanos apologist ka pala.
Ganun pa. Nako.
Nako. Okay, so kailan yung music video, guys? Para abangan namin.
Hopefully,
Next week.
this month, it's gonna be out probably maybe in 2 weeks from now. Kasi na-shoot na namin siya last week. So, yeah. Abangan niyo guys. Abangan niyo.
Exciting.
Doon yung malalaman kung sino yung bagay sa...
At saka anong story?
At kung ano yung kwento.
Okay.
Perfect.
Is it comedy? Comedy siya.
Humor to it.
But the humor to... Okay.
Very light.
Yes.
We tried to
A definite yes.
Do you guys have any performances lined up soon?
Yes, guys. We're actually having a concert to celebrate our 15 years of music.
15 years plus.
More than 15 years. So, yun, guys. September 6, if you wanna catch us sa Teatrino Green Hills, we're doing a special show. It's called Walang Makakapigil Concert. Meron kaming surprises sa gabi na yun. At yeah, it's gonna be a long set.
Yeah, may special guest din kami sa gabi na yun. Si Hey Jun.
Si Hey Jun.
Si H.
Si Kuya
Isa lang
Jun,
siya, si Kuya
Ate
Jun.
Si
Oo.
ano,
Sa
si
kanto.
Lasik.
Kuya
Ganda.
Lasik. So, andun yung Hey Jun.
Mga kaibigan namin yung mga yun. Mga besties namin.
Daming
we're going
headbang.
to play a long set. So, maybe may mga songs kami na hindi namin madalas tinutugtog. So, tutugtogin namin siya dun.
Oh
Yeah,
my
and it's a
gosh.
celebration, guys. Kung nasundan nyo kami ng Grace Note, dapat nandun kayo. At, ayun, para siyang, Eras Tour. Grace Note Eras Tour. Kasi, from our first album, ay may mga songs kami from our first record hanggang sa yung latest release namin. And, ayun nga, may mga surprises pa kami. So, ayun, if you're part of that journey and if you want to be part of that journey, be there. It's a very important night for us. So, yeah, we want to see you there sa lahat ng mga Gratians na nakikinig ngayon. Yeah. Get your tickets now. Available na siya. Kung gusto niyo kumuha ng ticket, nasa mga socials namin. Punta kayo sa Instagram. Andun yung link. You can order it. Mura lang yung ticket, guys. 1,500 lang. Nagbenta talaga.
Sige.
No, but yeah, you get your tickets. I think regular is 1,500 and then walk-in is 2,500. So, like, nakita nyo naman yung difference. So, if you want to get secure nyo na. Yes, and the seats are limited.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Medyo paubos na rin.
Yeah, so sold out na siya. So,
Kung naririnig mo to ngayon,
it's your sign
It's your sign.
to get your ticket.
kumuha ka na.
Para siyang reunion concert niyo from all your fans in the past
Kind of.
15 plus years.
Yes, kind of like that.
Exciting.
It's a night of celebration talaga. I hope you be there.
Oh,
Hope you can go.
guys. What's the Instagram again?
Grace Note
Grace
Jam.
Note.
Yeah. Grace Note Jam, meron din sa Facebook. Andun din yung link.
I-update pa namin yung link pala doon.
Yeah, but it's everywhere
Okay na,
naman.
okay na.
Nasa lahat.
Okay na siya?
Okay na pala daw. Okay na.
Fake news! Malalang nila lang.
Hindi, gusto ko lang
fake news,
demonstrate yung sample ng fake news. So.
Tama. Ang galing. Perfect.
Accountable naman.
And scene.
And see. Thank you guys so much for
Thank you,
joining. Do you have
Del.
anything else to plug or greet or anything? Last words. Last words.
Well, yeah, we hope you guys help us spread the awareness, spread the song Malalang Nilalang. We also wanna thank, of course, Magic for having us.
Yay.
Hannah, thank you.
Thank you, Hannah.
Sa masayang kwentuhan.
Oh.
And we wanna thank Superstar, EMI Records, at lahat ng mga nakikinig ngayon. If this is your first time, yeah, sana hindi ito ang last.
Thank you so much for dropping by, guys.
Thank you din.
Come back anytime. Masaya rin sa morning, promise.
Yeah, actually ginigising ko pa lang din yung
Ah.
boses ko, pero
Tapos na. Nag-warm up on
Yeah.
air. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. We're gonna
Salamat.
keep
Thank you.
playing the song. So, guys, keep
Nice.
requesting for it,
Yes,
please.
you can request it
Yes.
here para every day ipi-play ni Hannah for you guys.
Yes. Call out ko yan sa lahat ng tao every day.
Gawin yung alarm.
Correct. Alarm. Malalaki na lang.
Okay lang sa amin. If
Okay
you're gonna
lang.
hate it.
Para umaga pa lang ma-remind ka na.
Truth. Oo,
Way
ang
to start
ganda.
your day.
Ang ganda. Start your day. Called out. Let's move on to more of the music now. If you missed out on Grace Notes interview, it's posted on our Facebook page. It's the first streamed post over there.
Magic 89.9.